How to fix you can't message this account on Messenger. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up Play Store and check for updates for the Messenger. Search for Messenger and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to your home screen. Now keep holding the Messenger icon. Tap on App Info. Click on Force Stop. Now go to Storage Usage. Now tap on Clear Data and tap on Delete. Now after deleting, restart Messenger. Now re-log in into your account. After logging in, tap on the three lines. Now tap on Settings, scroll down, tap on Privacy and Safety. Now tap on Restricted Accounts. If the person's account you are trying to message is there, remove them from the restricted account. I hope this would fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.